Hello there again today. In today's video, I know how we always talk about football, and we're going to talk about football again. We're going to talk about the Champions League, again, and how the team might perform at Champions League. We're going to talk about that, very soon. But before we go to that issue or that point, I would like to talk about something else as well, you know, which is Man United to provide almost more than 40,000 meals for families this winter in the touching Christmas gesture. The Premier League club has announced a partnership with the local charity FareShare Greater Manchester for a second straight year, inviting fans to contribute to the initiative. Manchester United has confirmed the club's charitable foundation will help provide more than 400,000 meals for the families in need this winter, repeating their 2020 gesture. It is the second successive year they're doing this, and the club has partnered with FareShare, a Greater Manchester, a local branch of a charity aimed at redistributing food across the UK to help tackle hunger. United and England forward Marcus Rashford made a significant donation to FareShare in 2022. So we all remember how United legend Marcus Rashford, made a big donation to FareShare because according to him, the meals weren't enough. The meals provided by the schools were not enough to nourish the children. So basically, Marcus Rashford made a big donation, made a huge donation to prevent children from going hungry when schools were closed at the start, of an outbreak. And the United have called on fans to support the Christmas initiative with the club and the Manchester United Foundation, making a joint donation of almost more than I don't know, it's more than maybe it's almost £100,000 to help frontline charities and school fees, feed those in need. United are doing charity right now, and I'm sure other players such as Sancho, Ronaldo, Fred, Greenwood, they will all join in. They will also contribute to it. And yeah, fans have encouraged to donate to the Santa Red Helpers campaign with John, MBA, Chief Executive of the Manchester United Foundation, pointing to the continued challenge brought by the current outbreak. And we have also seen matches being cancelled right now because of it. This is just a light-hearted post I've seen. Last winter we saw a huge number of people in need of support across Greater Manchester, and we don't expect this year to be different as the situation continues to cause a severe strain on society and the economy itself, which is happening right now. So the current situation is an economical burden on the club workers, players, according to the new news, and it continues to be a big stress on the football world, on the soccer world. We are delighted to see the United family coming together again, and to support FareShare Greater Manchester. The work they do to help families in need is incredible. And we hope our donation will make a difference. That is the Christmas spirit of the Christmas spirit of United and the match. They have also said, that we are proud of the work Manchester United Foundation does to support our local community, and this has never been more important than it is now, with so many households facing a tough winter. Man United's Chief Operating Officer Colette Roche said, Manchester United is pleased to be making this joint donation with the Foundation FareShare Greater Manchester, and we invite our fans to unite with us behind this crucial cause. The club acknowledged that a number of United fan groups will be supporting the campaign while others will be supporting different local charitable initiatives. The announcement comes after Rashford partnered with FareShare last year in an effort to ensure no child is missed. So yeah, Rashford's donation was a big help, and it was a fair share. So they say wanted to understand the scale of the problem, and now we can reach to vulnerable children. So as Marcus Rashford had said, his main aim was to reach vulnerable children, help feed them, so that they can have some food and a little bit of warmth for the Christmas. It's very important to keep the Christmas spirit up, because we all need to have our Christmas spirits up. It's not just schools, it's community centers, breakfast clubs, etc., that provide the only meal many kids get each day. So, for a lot of kids, these meals that are provided are one of the only meals that they would get in a day. So, that is something we should think about. That is something quite serious. It's the only meal, their only meal of the entire day. So, this contribution, this act of charity, I think is a very nice gesture from our beloved club. And I know this is, not really related to football, but for once, I'm dealing with something different. So it's a very nice gesture right now, and yeah, and I think as things are back, they're back being quite a little stressful. So we are currently facing a crisis right now. It's community centers, breakfast clubs, and all of that. No children should have to worry, where the next meal is coming from. That is something, the project talks about, and that is also something our footballing club believes. They should do as much charity as they can, basically, and so they're trying to feed a lot of kids. Following the latest announcement from United, Fairshare Greater Manchester head of the development, Miranda, thanked the club for its support. Given the highly challenging circumstances many local families and individuals are facing this winter, it's vitally important that the communities we serve are helped as much as possible. Yeah, so yeah, that's definitely a issue that we should deal with, because due to the current situation over right now that's going on. Not only the football clubs, it has affected everybody and everything. Manchester United's match versus Brentford was cancelled, and now there are issues of other health hazards and pandemic right now. So owing to all of that, it's a tricky situation again right now, where we basically don't know what to do. So if the club can make a huge donation of maybe so this huge donation, almost this huge donation of almost 100,000 pounds or maybe more will be very helpful. We'll go on to feed a lot of families. So that's what I wanted to talk about in this video, something different for a change, because it was the same, football clash, transfers again and again. Just wanted to give an insight into something good that we're doing, so that to keep the Christmas spirit up. So we're gonna next go on to our regular videos where we talk about transfers, news, views, and different things we share. And we're gonna come back with that later. So keep your eye open. Until then, take care.